Kapamilya reality show Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Edition has officially started featuring Star Magic and Sparkle artists. The reality show has been part of many Pinoys lives here and abroad. Through this show, ordinary individuals were able to find success in the entertainment industry. For many instances, this has become a stepping stone for showbiz aspirants to be well known. The show also has its Celebrity Edition. This year marked another milestone for the show as ABS-CBN collaborated with GMA for the Celebrity Collab Edition. On March 9, Pinoy Big Brother officially introduced the celebrity housemates, 8 from Sparkle GMA Artist Center, 7 from Star Magic, and actress-vlogger Ivana Alawi was introduced as the house guest. Here are the official PBB housemates for the Celebrity Collab Edition. Ashley Ortega, Independent Tis Ice Princess ng San Juan. AZ Martinez, Miss Sun Uling Daughter ng Cebu. Will Ashley, Mama's Dream Bay ng Cavite. Charlie Fleming, Bubbly Bread Thinner ng Cagayan de Oro. Josh Ford, Survivor Lad ng United Kingdom. Dustin Eugenito, Boss Sikap ng Quezon City. Mika Salamanca, Controversial ka Babeland ng Pampanga. Michael Sager, Diligent Wonder Son ng Marinduque. AC Bonifacio, Dedicated Showstopper ng Canada. Esnerson, Saturday Idol Viral Beshi ng Davao del Sur. Brent Manalo, Gentle Linong Heartthrob ng Tarlac. Clarice de Guzman, Quella Soul Diva ng Antipolo. River Joseph, Sporty Business Bro ng Muntinlupa City. Ralph De Leon, Dutiful Judo Son ng Cavite. Hirabal Inger, Hopeful Bell ng Cavite. These were shared on a popular showbiz site and many netizens asked the same question, sino sila? Or, who are they? Some netizens commented that this is Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Edition, but they don't know the celebrity housemates, while some said that they only 1 or 2 celebrities in this season.